In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best water filters. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. Aquagear 8-Cup Water Filter Pitcher. It isn't NSF certified, but the US-made 5-stage filter is certified by an independent lab to meet and surpass NSF Standard 42 for improvement of water taste and smell. It also meets Standard 53 for lead removal, which is rare among filter pitchers. As small as it may look, the cartridge filters water to reduce 90 to 99% of fluoride, chloramine, mercury, and a plethora of other contaminants. The secret is the numerous 2-micron pores in the filtration materials, which trap the pollutants as water passes through it. The water filter pitcher can hold 8 cups, or half a gallon, of water at a time, the recommended amount for one person to drink per day. Doesn't matter if you're a large family, refilling is fast and easy, as the pitcher has a lid with a pressure valve on the top. The whole item is made with BPA-free, DPA-approved food-grade materials, and is 100% recyclable. Number 6. Big Berkey Gravity-Fed Water Filter. These elements can remove more than 99.99% of pathogenic bacteria, such as E. coli. They're claimed to mechanically remove red food color, which is unique for a filter of its type. Pure water, that's what it promises. With effectiveness being a priority, the Big Berkey takes its time to process the water. It generally takes 1 to 2 hours to finish a batch of 2.25 gallons. That's about 3 minutes for every cup of filtered water. So basically, it's an Internet Explorer when it comes to speed. Yet, you can't complain for the quality of water it produces. Check that it's refilled at night, and you'll be good to go for the next whole day. Replacing the filters on this system is slightly trickier compared to simple filters, with which you normally just have to throw a whole cartridge away and lock a new one in. Each of the filtration elements has a different lifespan, so you will have to take notes and keep a careful track of when you should replace which component. Number 5. Home Master Artesian Reverse. The Home Master Artesian Undersink RO system sure does an excellent job when it comes to removing contaminants and purifying water. It comes with a complete set of pre-filters, reverse osmosis membrane, and post-filter. The Home Master Artesian Reverse Osmosis Filter System offers 7 stages of water purification and enhancement. Healthy minerals are added twice along the purification process to make up for the loss caused by the super strong membrane, effectively protecting the tank and increasing water alkalinity. Another feature that makes the Home Master system a far cry from others is its ability to minimize water waste with a permeate pump. The waste-water-pure water ratio can reach 1:1, which is extremely low compared to conventional RO systems, where the ratio is typically closer to 4:1 or 5:1. The pump is also the key factor in boosting the speed performance of this system. Given the right conditions, it can produce an impressive amount of 75 gallons of purified water per day, or 1 cup per minute. Number 4. Culligan FM15A Faucet-Mount Filter. Built small, compact, and simple so that it can be attached to the head of your faucet, the Culligan FM15A is a mighty filter. It's certified by the NSF for removing chlorine, as well as any foul taste and odor in tap water. The water that passes through this device will also pass any taste test. This filter can also remove lead, rust, dirt, sand, and sediment particles as small as 0.5 micron. To give you an idea, a human red blood cell is about 5 to 8 micron in size. What people love about the little filter is that it takes next to no time to produce fresh water. Some reduction in pressure might be experienced, but usually, you can get 1 cup of filtered water in less than 30 seconds. Installation is also a piece of cake. A total noob can figure it out and get it fastened onto the faucet within 5 minutes. That's also why the thing is sometimes made into an intercity travel companion, when a water snob wants to make sure they get quality water everywhere they go. Number 3. HomeMaster Hydro Perfection. Upgrade the HomeMaster Artesian, and you have the HomeMaster TMHP Hydro Perfection Reverse Osmosis Filter System. It has the super effective pre- and post-carbon filters and reverse osmosis membrane that also exist on the other HomeMaster undersink RO versions. Plus, the Hydro Perfection comes with iron filtration materials, which is a must for any well water filter. As earlier explained, water from private wells is typically more prone to dangerous pathogens. Unlike tap water, it's not processed with chemicals such as chlorine, chloramine, or fluoride. The Hydro Perfection solves the problem with a UV chamber that can destroy 99.99% of any microorganisms, germs, bacteria, and viruses, such as E. coli, that make it past the RO membrane. The water you get after this stage is the closest thing to distilled water in terms of quality. Number 2. Fleck 5600 SXT. In fact, the softener can not only save your hair and skin from dryness and irritation, but it can also protect your pipe system as well as water appliances from damage caused by limescale, which results from water hardness. Since it removes sticky hard minerals, it will keep your tiles and all sorts of surfaces that you clean with the water shiny and free of the annoying white film usually seen in households with hard water. What's cool about this softener is that it has a flow meter which measures your actual water use and allows the system to regenerate as needed. That's for saving both salt and water. It also can regenerate on a preset time schedule like most other systems if that's what you prefer. For enhanced durability in chemical-treated communal water, the softener has a commercial standard 10% crosslink resin. Number 1. Sawyer Products. Point 1. This little filter can remove more than 99.99% of all bacteria, protozoa, and cysts such as E. coli, Giardia, Vibrio cholera, and Salmonella from any fresh water source, as well as other harmful contaminants down to the size of 0.1 micron. At 9.5 x 4 x 3.5 inches, this 3.2-ounce filter won't take more space in your backpack than a book light or an electric toothbrush. And yet it can filter up to 540 gallons of clean water per day, as the design allows very fast processing. That's enough water for a whole village for a day. Of course, you will have to squeeze it a couple of hundred of times for that. Regardless, it's nice to have the assurance that as long as you encounter a source of fresh water along the way, you can use the filter to produce as much clean, safe water as you need.